Hey guys, Mr. Cheng here. So another project, we are going fishing today and I'm going to take out my boat. Oh, it's behind the trash can over there somewhere, right there. And so I did not want to put my boat motor in here, putting my boat up there. So I'm modifying my boat or my hitch extension, which is this piece right here. As you can see, it normally goes a little bit longer. Like this part here, I cut it off. Usually goes all the way to my truck. Goes about that high to my truck. I use that to support like the canoe sometimes, if the canoe's too long, or sometimes I would support my boat, which I don't normally do because I have another piece that goes right on top of the car roof to support the boat. So I figured I will turn this into a boat motor carrier. So this is the setup of how it will look like. So I'll have this in the back of my truck. Hopefully nobody will run into me. So that way it's easy to transport and it's safe, and I don't lay it on its side, although it is safe to lay it on the side. But I prefer this because I have this as an option. So let me show you the piece that I cut off. See, so I cut this much off. Cut this much off. Or let's do it this way. So it still has this piece here to the metal sheet metal here to bolt or mount the straps. So I'm repeating that onto the other piece that I cut. So I'm taking this piece, which I will drill 2 holes that will go under here if I still need that long extension. Then I'll drill 2 holes on the one that's on the car right now, truck. Use a bolt to hold these two together. This is kind of like a, I forgot what that's called, like a connecting piece to still be able to use this longer tube. So with that said, I'm going to load up and then we will go to the lake. Remember, again, I got this boat motor running now, so this will be the first time it's going in the lake. Otherwise it's always been running in the 55-gallon of rainwater that I have. So I'll see you guys at the lake. Bye bye.